here we are again on another adventure, always buying stuff I don't need. We went and looked at a 93 FD RX7. It is a PEP car, popular equipment's package. This means it's got leather in the sunroof. It is a tan leather car, it is black. There was an old rotary guy here in Oklahoma last probably 15 years ago. He actually worked on my first RX-7 by the name of Brad Golden. He owned a shop called RIP Tuning. Didn't have the best reputation. This car was one of those cars. But as long as you weren't doing anything real crazy with Brad, if you kept it kind of mild, 400 or 500 horsepower, it'd probably be okay. I mean, when my car was with him making 400, it ran good. But once we went crazy with it, that's when things got a little stupid. But this car's pretty simple. It's got an old Borg Warner like S366, single turbo, old school wastegate, HKS DLI, Apex standalone, fuel system, clutch, front mount intercooler, new ported motor, new plates, new rotor, new mid plate. I mean, it's got all the right stuff. The paint is absolutely roach though. So my goal is to get it home. He says it needs fuel lines. The aftermarket fuel lines that Brad had ran, probably ran some cheap ones. They fell apart and deteriorated. So he says it's got a massive fuel leak. So we're gonna get some new lines ran for this car. I'm sure we're gonna have to clean the gas tank out. Probably put a new fuel pump in it, all the typical stuff from car setting. And hopefully we get this car back on the road. And if we do, it should be a really awesome car because it's pretty clean underneath it, just needs paint. We'll probably get it over to Brian, get some paint done on it, clean it up, and then I'll probably sell it to one of you guys. So we're gonna go grab this car today. Ready? Yep.
Got it.
Hi.
Take a pipe and you rinse and beat them. Wait, quit. It's burned up.
We're there. We'll ratchet from here. Put the line in this hole.
Yeah, you got it over.
You can put the brake on.
In front of the front wheels, so when we get ready, we still got a long ways to go. Alright, I need to. See what? We gotta redo strip. Right, hang on a second. So your hand to come off your.
They're running, dog. Look at that. What do you think, Lou? Sounds like a rotary. We're running out of fuel.